Alright, buckle up everyone. Today we are diving deep into one of the most legendary, mind-bending and unforgettable anime of all time, Neon Genesis Evangelion. While we talk about its insane story, deep psychological themes, and jaw-dropping action, we are also sketching the absolute icon of the series, Eva Unit 01. Let's go!
Oh, that's real good.
Now let's rewind to 1995. The anime industry was in a weird spot. Giant robots were cool, but kinda predictable. Then Eno Hideaki, the genius behind Evangelion, he came in and dropped something that changed everything. What started as a mecha show quickly turned into a psychological roller coaster, twisting action, philosophy, depression, and religious symbolism. Yeah, it's that kind of show. The premise is simple. Giant creatures called angels are attacking Earth, and our last hope is a group of teenagers piloting terrifying biomechanical robots called Evas. But trust me, nothing is as it seems, because these robots are alive. Speaking of not what it seems, let's talk about the absolute monster we are drawing right now. Eva Unit 01. This thing is a beast. Literally, unlike normal mechs, Evangelions aren't just metal. They are living creatures wrapped in armor, and Unit 01, it got a mind of its own. Unit 01 is not just a machine, it's an extension of something much deeper. It has an organic body beneath the armor, and that armor, it's not just for protection, it's restraint. The true form of Unit 01 is so powerful, so uncontrollable, that NERV had to chain it down with metal plating and neural limiters. And when those restraint comes off, all hell breaks loose. It moves like a wild animal, almost instinctual, because deep down it is one. The sheer primal energy of this thing makes it feel less like a machine and more like a caged beast waiting to be unleashed. See, the Eva units aren't just biomechanical, they are borderline divine. Unit 01 is particular, isn't just another prototype, it's humanity's gamble at becoming gods. Literally. NERV's ultimate goal: to merge all human souls into one collective consciousness, eliminate pain, loneliness, and individuality. And how they do that? Through the Evas. This thing isn't just a weapon. It's the catalyst for evolution. And here's the part that hits hardest. Evangelion isn't about cool robots. It's about what happens when you are forced to face yourself, the cockpit, the entry plug. It's literally a metaphor for introspection. When Unit 01 goes berserk, it doesn't just fight, it hunts. It moves like a predator, it eats angels. Yeah, it's terrifying. And if you thought that was wild, wait till we talk about what's inside the Eva. Unit 01 is not just a machine, it's an extension of something much deeper. Let's not forget the most mind-blowing part. Shinji's own mother, Yui Ikari, is inside this thing. That's right. Unit 01 is not just an Eva. It's literally the physical embodiment of a mother's will to protect her child. Every time Shinji is in danger, Unit 01 saves him with or without his command. It's like a force beyond technology, beyond logic, almost supernatural. Okay, Evangelion isn't cool battles. It's packed with symbolism. The Evas aren't just robots. They represent our deepest fear. Shinji, our main protagonist, is literally trapped in a fight against himself, his past, and his fear of rejection. This show doesn't just throw action at you. It forces you to confront heavy themes like loneliness, identity, and existential dread. And let's not forget the ending. Oh boy, we will get there. It's been almost 30 years and Evangelion still sparks debates. The show's characters, Shinji, Rei, Asuka, Misato, are some of the most complex in anime history. The action is brutal, the animation holds up amazingly, and the psychological depth unmatched. This anime changed the industry. Without Evangelion, we wouldn't have half the shows we love today. And let's be real, Unit 01, one of the coolest mech design ever. It's sleek, monstrous, and that purple-green color scheme. Iconic. It's not just a machine, it's a character. It has presence, it has emotion, and when it's on screen, you can't look away. And now the ending. If you have seen it, you know how wild it is. If you haven't, get ready for a mix of existential horror, mind-breaking visuals, and finale that will leave you questioning reality itself. And then, end of Evangelion happened. A movie that's not just an alternate ending, it's a complete emotional destruction of everything you thought you knew. It's brutal, disturbing, and absolutely unforgettable. And there it is, Unit 01 in all its terrifying, majestic glory. This sketch isn't just fan art, it's tribute to a series that changed anime forever, to a mech that isn't a mech, to a story that dared to ask the scariest question of all. Who are you? Who are you when everything else is stripped away? Thanks for watching and going on this ride with me. If you like this breakdown and want more deep dives while we sketch anime icons, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Maybe Asuka's Unit 02 or maybe something different. Until then, take care of yourself, and yeah, you know what I'm gonna say. Get in the damn robot.